Supertecnoboff here, and I'm here with a remake of one of my previous Xcode tutorials, and this is, or technically two of my previous Xcode tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to implement an icon, a Retina version of your icon, a splash screen, and a Retina version of the splash screen into your iOS application using Xcode 4. So let's open up Xcode 4 and start a new application. Just going to call this icon and I'm going to save it on the desktop. So it's a bit bigger. So if we just hide Xcode for a second here. So I've got four different pictures ready for my iOS application. I've got my icon, which is a 57 by 57 size PNG format image, and this is for non-Retina iOS devices. Then I've got my icon at 2x version of the image. Now, this is a PNG format image, and the size is 114 by 114. Okay. Now for the loading screen or the splash screen, I've got the default.png file, and this is a 320 by 480 size PNG image. And I've also got the Retina version as well, which is a 640 by 960 version of the image, size of the image. Okay, so I've got four images ready, two for my icons and two for my loading screens. Now if I just open up Xcode, I'm just going to drag and drop these files into my Xcode project. Let's just put it in, where should we put it? Supporting files. Copy the items in. There we go. So you'll notice now, once we've got the project selected in the left-hand menu, in the right-hand menu where our plist file is, you'll notice how Xcode has automatically picked up on our splash screens. But it doesn't automatically pick up on our icons, and that's because it doesn't actually recognize the icon and icon at 2x names anymore, so we need to drag them in manually. So here I have my icon and my icon at 2x version. So I'm just going to drag them in here to my plist file under the section of the plist file where we have two little icons, one for the non-Retina version and one for the Retina version. So I'm just going to drag these over. And it says the file blah, 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 already exists in your project. Yes, we're going to click yes. And then we're going to do the same for the at 2x version. Once again, this message will pop up. We're just going to select yes. Copy that in. And there we go. So Xcode has automatically used our icon and our icon at 2x version. It's also used our loading screen and the Retina version of our loading screen as well. And that's it, guys. That's it. It's so simple. So that's how you can add an icon and a loading screen to your iOS application. This is for the iPhone and the iPod Touch. I'll be making another version of this video for the iPad as well, and for universal iOS applications. But to be honest, it's not much different. You'll just have another option for the iPad down here. And if you're using a universal application, you'll have these icons and you have another option underneath these to add iPad specific loading screens and icons. So that's really it. So it's really simple, and if we were just to build and run this application, you'll notice that these images will get used. So there's our loading screen, and if I just come out the application, there is the icon of our application. So that's it, guys. It's really easy to use, as you can see. Just takes a few seconds, and there we go. We successfully added an icon and a loading image to our iOS application. So thanks for watching this remake of one of my older iOS tutorials, or Xcode tutorials. And thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned to my channel for more Xcode tutorials.